Hello everyone. Today's my topic is from CDM and CRM, which is ethical consideration ethical considerations in clinical trials. So, what are the ethical considerations? Clinical trials can be performed on the basis of ethical consideration. Ethical consideration is required because the safety of the participants and all the process. So what are the ethical considerations? So ethical considerations in clinical research include respecting the rights of participants, minimizing harm, and ensuring that the research is fair and valid. So in ethical consideration we respecting the participants' life and their considerations. So there is a form that is informed consent. So participant must be fully informed about the study including its risks and benefits. So what are the risks and benefits of the clinical trial? Must be informed before the clinical trial is the responsibility of the clinical trial who perform the clinical trial, which is contract or CROs and etc etc. So they must be informed. Participant must be voluntarily agreed to participate. So there is no force to participant to agree for the clinical trial. The volunteer must be voluntarily. They are own agreed to participate. Participant can withdraw their consent at any time. If the if the participants if the participant are if the participant they withdraw their consent at any time, because if the participant after clinical trial they are going through some bad experience, so they can withdraw at any time. Respect for participants privacy and confidentiality must be respected. Participant must be informed of new information that may change their assessment of the risk and benefits. Participants must be monitored for their fair and welfare. So these are the respect for participants. Fairness in the clinical trial. So participant must be selected fairly. The research must be have the research must be have favorable risk benefit ratio. Validity. The research must be scientifically valid. The validity must be scientifically valid. So these are the fairness in the clinical trial. Other considerations are also important. That are the research must be promote the good. The research must not cause harm. The research must be reviewed by an ethics committee. So the whatever the research you should perform, the research must be reviewed by an ethics committee. So these are the consideration. So these are the ethical considerations in clinical research. These are very important before the clinical research. So thank you.